Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I did a 2-in-1 today. I made 2 different videos for you guys. I made jalapeno poppers, and also you make sure you check that out on my channel because that will be uploaded. But I also made some fried oysters. This is a vegan's favorite substitute for chicken or fried fish. This is a go-to. And I promise you, this is my very first time making this, but it came out excellent. If I didn't know, I'm gonna make it for someone and I'm going to do an off camera, but if I didn't know it was a fried oyster, I would have thought maybe, just maybe, this is a piece of meat. Because I don't eat meat though, I would have, I would have known, but let me tell you. Look at this. Tell me that doesn't look like some fried fish. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm always being honest, right? But I'm gonna be honest again. I'm not a big mushroom girl. But someone told me to try this. I said, all right, I'll give it a try. Because I can't be closed-minded. So I gave it a try, and I promise you. Wow. Oh, my God. Let me show you. It's crunchy. So,
Told me, she say, this big one yours, and don't let one of them big kids take it from you. My cousin's gonna tell myself, oh, you stole a chicken? I say, yes, I did. Look, yeah. And you ain't getting a piece.
I definitely will pair this with like a vegan macaroni and cheese and some either kale Caesar salad or some collard greens, or give it a soul food vibe, All right, so today I am going to be making, these are oyster mushrooms, and then they're gonna come out looking like fried chicken or fried fish. But this is going to be a vegan dish. It's very simple. I'm going to pour my flour into this bowl. I'm going to season it up just like chicken, and then I'm going to drop it into the deep fryer. So if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. You can eat this as a snack, or you can also have it as a part of your meal and make it a full meal. But let's see, guys. Let's see how this works. Let's see how this goes. This is my very first time making oyster mushrooms. So I'm going to flour it as if I was flouring chicken or, fish. Alright, so here is my flour oyster mushrooms. And I'm going to dip it into... I'm gonna fry these bad boys up like a piece of chicken. Like a piece of chicken or fish. Let's see how they come out. I also seasoned my flour, you guys. I seasoned the oyster mushrooms and I seasoned the flour. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more, and if you guys have any suggestions, make sure that you comment down below. And give me some recipes, guys. I'll be more than glad to try whatever you guys have out. You have in mind, and let's go for it. Put me to the challenge. I tell you guys this all the time. Thank you for watching. If it ain't soul food,